right, so it's going to be a busy night, but first and foremost, we're going to start with asparagus, Mary Washington. I buy the bare roots, got them from Walmart. Nothing super fancy. Definitely going to be ordering some different things from some different places for the garden next year. But by the time that I decided to do what I was doing, it was kind of too late, so here we are. So I soaked these for about 12 hours. Ew, and rubber bands. That's not cool. Ew. Anyway. Alright, that's enough of that. So there are rubber bands on this. That's kind of cool. So that one like started growing and then died maybe? I don't know. These are a lot healthier than the ones I got from Roll King with the strawberries. Kind of mildly excited about this. Oh, it is 4 roots. Okay, so that one's new. That one's showing some sign of growth. I was concerned because this one like is dead, but then it has this, so that's kind of cool. And then this guy's definitely growing. Like I got a little asparagus seeds on there. Oh, that is gross. Fair enough. So of course I'm reusing cups, which these are from the Ace 55s that I just planted. Super excited because I hope those guys do good. Really hopeful. So, got to do some modifications. All right, got the mods on there. So what you're supposed to do is just barely stick like the crown poking out of the ground. And these aren't actually going to stay in here very long. Had I known these were growing when I was planting Saturday, these would have went in the ground. Just saying. But I don't know when they're, or if I'm going to be planting this Saturday. And I really don't want them to die inside that bag. So we're just going to send it in these and then move them this weekend, probably. Hi. Hello. All 4 of those are still alive. The asparagus. Yeah, I didn't know. If I would have seen these Saturday, they would have went with me. You gotta be kidding me. So yeah, there's nothing really fancy to asparagus, especially just doing them in the cups to keep them alive until we go to plant them in the actual garden. But they do like full sun. They do like to be 12 to 24 inches apart, and you want to plant them from 6 to 12 inches deep. And for zone 6B, we want to plant them in April, May. So on to the wife's work. So we are going to be getting some more marigolds going around here. I really need a better system for this. Oh yeah, 36 cells. So we're going to do 36 marigolds and 36 forget-me-nots for the front flower bed. And wherever else she can think to put 36 marigolds and forget-me-nots. Which, I do some marigolds for the garden. So I probably should have done some marigolds for her, but I didn't think about it. Oh, whoop. Did she just say you're welcome? Oh, that's cute. All right. So that way everyone can hear that my whole plan got changed because you walked in the room. Like in today's video, my wife changes my mind. Dun dun dun. I can hear my uncle saying, I say who, I say when, and I say who. And in this case, I'm like, I say, okay. Oh, look at that. Ever had a pocket full of marigold seeds? I forgot I did that. Okay, so instead of marigolds, at this point, we're going to do the cactuses because we bought ornamental cactus mix from Livingston, 150 plus days to maturity. So this is going to take up half the year to grow her cactus. I bet you these little suckers are dinky. Bet. I wonder if you can even tell the difference. Like, it's supposed to be a cactus mix, and then all the pictures of the cactuses on here. Uh-oh. Here comes the real boss. Yep. Oh, she did not knock it over. Nice. But I can't even get this open. Alright, that's enough. Hey, we're trying to be professional in here. So this whole time I thought you were wearing one of the Carter's Garden shirts. Oh, these don't look. These look all the exact same. So this is what they're supposed to look like. But all the seeds look exactly the same. Oh, there might be a couple different ones in there, but that's a lot of cactuses. So this is going to be a learning curve for this season, because I've never grown cactuses in my life. Not from seed, anyway. I didn't even know you could grow cactus from seed. I didn't know that was a thing. Alright, let's see here. Let's get some specifications. Alright, so what I've gathered between the internet and reading this package, because I've not done this yet, is so a 1/16 of an inch. So that's pretty well like top layer. So they need full sun to germinate through the soil, so penetrating light, I'm sure. Then to 2 to 4 inches. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do 1 cactus per cell, because I have 36 and I'm not tripping. They want to be in full sun, which makes sense because it's a cactus. I mean, they grow in the desert. The germination is 14 to 21 days, but it takes 165, 50 plus days to reach maturity. Of course, start them anytime indoors, which obviously, and then they prefer to be started indoors. So, yeah. Immaturity is 150 plus days. I don't even know what these little cactuses are, but I know the one that was in the middle of the package and that one. And then this one at the bottom of the package is the little one that I've already grown up there, but we bought it. So I've just helped keep it alive. So I'm not even going to get crazy with this. I'm telling you, these are all the exact same looking cactuses. Unless all cactus seeds look alike. There's got to be cactus people with the cactuses that are like, yeah, this guy's an idiot. Cacti? Cacti, see? Don't correct me. I don't know what I'm doing. So in about 150 days, I'll be doing a recap on... Oh, man, I about dropped that little one. 150 days, I'll be doing a recap on if this actually worked or not. So don't forget to subscribe if you want to actually see if I figured out what I'm doing or not. This is so much fun. This is fun, and I like to do it. Hey, by the way, is there honeysuckle bushes and honeysuckle... Oh, wow, I just dumped all those. Honey bush... Oh, wow. Okay. Honeysuckle bushes and honeysuckle vines. Is there two different things, or are they same? So how come those bushes look like bushes, and how come there's a vine behind Dad's house that looks like the same thing? I may be accidentally planting more than one of these per cell. Keep warm, moist, and shaded until plants emerge. But then why is it a 16th inch? Like, doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. Why I wasn't like, oh yeah, let's do cactus. Woo! Just saying. Cactus planted.